Outside materials: 50 dpu to 1000 mm nylon silicone coated fabric.
Bottom materials: 20 dpu to 1500 mm nylon, whole, aluminum alloy.
Outside size: 210 to 1010 cm82, 682, 639. 3N, about 1 kg C2, 4 pounds. Inner size: 19060 590 cm74, 825, 635.
Inner tent material: 190 TPUF or off-flame retardant polyester fabric waterproof.
Coating UV light pressure is greater than 1200 mm and the lattice cloth fine lattice.
Bottom material: waterproof 200 mm plus flame retardant photo repellent to 10T, flame retardant polyester PU waterproof coating cloth.
Outer tent material: 190 PUF or off-flame retardant polyester fabric waterproof. Coating UV lattice cloth water pressure is greater than 120 mm joint waterproof strip processing.
The diameter of the rods: 9.5 mm. Size: 211 cm room, 56 cm front length, x122 cm head plus 90 cm rear, wide x91 cm head plus 61 cm rear height. Rod: 3.9, 5 mm, 2 of front door and 1 of rear.
Accessories: 3 reflective windproof 8 nails. Packing bag: 190 PU waterproof coating bag. 4388 cm closing parenthesis. Net weight about 1.3 kgs. 1 person tent.
Type: 3-season tent, 1 person 1 layer. Brand name: 3FUL gear.
Product name: LanShan 1 Pro.
Tent: 20D double silicone fabric.
Waterproof index 200 mm plus 20D nylon breathable gauze.
Bottom of tent:
20D silicone waterproof nylon waterproof index 5000 mm.
Single Ultralight Tent 15D 420 ripstop nylon with silicone on both sides. Net weight 1.45 kilograms, suitable for camping, hiking, backpack,
Mountaineering, cycling, fishing, and other scenarios.
two-door design. The front and rear doors of the inner and outer tent can be opened to style to build. A. Regular installation, close to the ground. B. Used with camping port, suitable for length 19020 cm, width 60-68 cm camping port.
The advantage of both sides silicone fabric is that it is super light,
And the tear strength
is more than 5 times that of single silicone fabric, can be used for 4 to 10 years.